Life's essence lies in the gentle whispers of the wind, the warmth of the sun on our skin, and the rhythmic beating of our hearts, reminding us that the truest moments of connection are found in the simplest pleasures. Life's greatest adventures are not found in the distant horizons or exotic landscapes, but in the intimate conversations shared with loved ones, the laughter that fills the room, and the memories etched in our hearts. Life's purpose is not a destination to be reached, but a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, where each step taken and lesson learned brings us closer to the realization of our true potential. Life's beauty can be found in the imperfections, the rough edges, and the scars that tell stories of resilience, reminding us that it is in our vulnerabilities that our true strength resides. Life's greatest gift is the freedom to choose our own path, to forge our own destiny, and to embrace the unique qualities that make us who we are, allowing us to leave an indelible mark on the world. Life's true meaning is not solely found in the pursuit of success or accumulation of wealth, but in the moments when we extend a helping hand, show compassion to others, and make a positive difference in their lives. Life's wisdom is not confined to the pages of books or the lessons of scholars, but is woven into the tapestry of our experiences, the mistakes we make, and the resilience we find within ourselves to rise again. Life's journey is a dance between holding on and letting go, knowing when to cherish what we have and when to release what no longer serves our growth, for it is in the ebb and flow that we find balance and fulfillment. Life's greatest transformations often stem from the depths of our darkest moments as we navigate through the shadows, embracing the challenges that shape us into the resilient beings we are meant to become. Life's purpose is not to seek constant happiness, but to find meaning and contentment within the ebbs and flows of emotions, knowing that true fulfillment comes from embracing the full spectrum of human experiences. Life's true wealth lies not in the material possessions we accumulate, but in the richness of our relationships, the love we share, and the memories we create with those who hold a special place in our hearts. Life's mysteries are not meant to be unraveled, but to be embraced with wonder and awe, reminding us that the journey itself holds more beauty than any destination ever could. Life's true power lies in the resilience of the human spirit, the ability to rise again after each fall, and the unwavering belief in our own capacity to overcome adversity and create a brighter future. Life's greatest joy is found in the moments of connection, when we look into the eyes of another and truly see their essence, recognizing that we are all interconnected souls on this shared journey of existence. Life's purpose is not to conform to societal expectations, but to courageously express our authentic selves, knowing that in doing so, we give permission for others to do the same, fostering a world of acceptance and love. Life's true liberation comes from letting go of the need for external validation and embracing the freedom to be ourselves, wholeheartedly and unapologetically, knowing that our worthiness is inherent and unaffected by the judgments of others. Life's journey invites us to dance in the rain, to taste the sweetness of laughter, and to find solace in the storm, for it is in embracing all aspects of life that we truly learn to live. Life's most profound discoveries are often found in the spaces between the noise, in the stillness of a quiet moment, when we allow ourselves to listen to the wisdom that resides within and connect with the vastness of the universe.